Now we're going to show you a few district examples of learning progressions. Take a look at this Science Level 6 learning progression. There are a total of 16 proficiency scales for Level 6 Science. Students will have the chance to demonstrate proficiency for all 16 scales within the 6 units over the course of instruction. Students are taught the 2.0 simpler skills in the first unit, and they have the full unit to master those skills. In the next unit, the students learn the 3.0 skills on the same proficiency scale and have the chance to apply that knowledge. When creating learning progressions, you can put goals or skills from the same scale in different units, if that is how students naturally develop for a particular theme. The author of this progression modified the order after researching other science progressions. Seeing that the original concept of moving from part to whole was in opposition with many other science learning progressions, after reflection, the units were re-sequenced from whole to part. Ending with matter emphasizes the point that all things are made of a collection of molecules and atoms. Students will have the background knowledge to connect this sometimes difficult concept to their past learning. So take a look at the Level 5 literacy learning progression. Multiple proficiency skills are taught per unit to assure students have the opportunity to demonstrate proficiency on all scales for that level within an instructional period. The scales are placed in an order that assures students' knowledge builds on past knowledge. Take a look at our last district example of a learning progression. This is for Math Level 0 students. The teacher's learning progression gave students the opportunity to demonstrate proficiency on the simpler Score 2 content, then the more complex Score 3 content. This teacher did not put content in units yet, but analyzed the natural developmental progression in the math domains. Her next step would be to create units based on her learning progression.